Now the next one is quotes. Quotes to remember. This is basically, like I said, go find some motivation. You can go on some of my motivation videos, write some of them down and things like that. But other than, and then read this one in here too. My success is up to me. So whatever you're trying to be is really up to you. So you got to get that done. I'm telling y'all, write different quotes and things like that that's going to keep you inspired, keep you, keep the drive and keep the thrive going for you. That's what good quotes and things like that do, Other than that, reach out to me. Or reach out to Miss Rayvon Shea herself. And other than that, I'm finna put this right here. It's gonna be in the link below, so you can get one yourself. We do got hardbacks for the people that want the hardbacks, but otherwise, just go ahead and get the printable to start it off. So you can get it, you can do a review video too. And let people know how you feel about the SBC, successful by choice. What we say? Successful by choice. Say it for them. Say it. Say successful by choice. Alright. With my brother FaZe Waves, man, we out here doing big things in Vegas. Other than that, we catch y'all later. Alright.